Wacha nikuambie Junet Mohamed, wewe mahali unatoka iko kura kidogo. Sisi tuko na kura mingi kuliko wewe. At this point when we are seeing attempts to kill opposition in this country, we are saying the only legacy we can give Cyrus Jirongo is to protect multi-party. We don't want to see what is happening. We don't want to see what is happening in political parties. That political parties want to be mutilated so that someone can have a safe ride somewhere. Political parties must be protected in this country, including my own party, ODM. Including my own party, ODM. Si munaona ile inaendelea? Si munaona ile inaendelea? Me, I want to say that sisi, me and Sifuna, we are in ODM to stay, na hakuna mtu atakuja hapo kusema atatuondoa. Wakileta vita, tunawapatia vita. We are not cowards. We have invested in this party as lawyers from 2007 to date. We cannot now that the Baba is not there, we are being told, nyi ondokeni. It is going to be Kali, my friend. I am saying this because Cyrus Jirongo believed in a strong democracy, in strong political parties. Alafu mtu anaita nyevu nyevu.